not even possible then.
All right, we're gonna take out the, give it the 870 tactical shotgun. 18.5 inch. Gonna put some big bad boy.
You're right.
3-inch slug.
We're gonna go moose hunt.
Do that, baby. Here we go. All right, Anna's gonna take a shot with the 3-inch slug in this bad boy 870 tactical shotgun. This is gonna be good.
If she doesn't break the gun.
So there you go.
Okay.
You could just put it in if you want. Just throw it in the hole.
In the hole.
Slide that shut. Did you put the brass backwards? Yeah.
Yeah?
Slide her in. There we go. Put it right against your shoulder, right into the pocket.
Okay.
Lean into it because it's going to blow good. So be ready for the recoil, that's all. Okay?
Yeah? Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
You don't have to clean it.
Okay. Second from the left and the bottom.
The gas, put the piston down.
Ow!
There's a tube of the gas.
That one kicks a little bit. Want to put another dozen through that one?
It hurts. I might do a couple more. I have a bruised shoulder.
All right, Anna's going to give her another go. The 3-inch slugs in this bad boy 870. Right against your shoulder. Hold it tight into your shoulder.
Yeah, but it's gonna hurt.
No, it won't. That way it won't hurt.
That hurt.
Anna's giving her another shot with the 887. 3-inch slugs. Lean into it.
Round 3.
Finger off the trigger till you're ready to fire it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to stand because
Finger straight, great, against the frame. And yeah, if you're going to move around,
that bench.
you stand for it. All right.
I'm bracing myself.
Yeah, hold on to her.
No, it isn't.
It's tight in my shoulder. I'm gonna go for the last one. Second row, last one.
Okay.
I thought maybe the spring on these might be.
Safety off when you're ready.
Where's the safety again?
On the behind the trigger. Push. There we go. Now you're hot.
You think it's too much effort to go in?
Okay, ready, set.
With the slide drop. Then you know you got problem.
Kicks like a mule.
I'm gonna have my whole arm's gonna be bruised.
Because you
Won't hurt as
buy a
much.
new spring.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Only when the slide.
500. I'll give you 500.
Ready, steady, bottom right. Ow!
Okay, Anna's shooting the 22 Norinco.
Okay.
Hit it. All right. Finger off the trigger. Pull the top part back slightly and let it just shoot forward by itself under the spring. Pull back. There we go.
Okay,
And
boys, you mess with my
line
daughter.
up the sights.
Oh, that's fun. Uh-oh.
Nope. Malfunction.
Yeah, ready? Nope.
Pull back the top. Let it snap forward. There we go. Give her.
Not shooting. Safety. Come on. Don't mess with my kids, man. This mama can shoot. I think I hit something.
Still good.
It was out. Still good?
Is there anything left? Pull the
I
trigger.
don't think so.
No? Okay, pull the top back first. There. Okay, now pull it out.
Rambo style.
Lock and load.
And this mama can load a gun.
Push that up. Pull that back. Yeah.
Locked in. I'm not very steady.
Yeah, it's hard.
I'm aiming for the bottom half of those targets. Like, you aim for the top half and I'll aim for the bottom.
Okay.
Ow! Oh, I
Perfect.
think I might have hit something. That it?
That's it. Alright, Anna going with the SR9.
Just waiting for me to like do something stupid.
No. You're pointed down range, finger off the trigger till you're ready to engage the target.
Okay.
Put this hand with your finger straight across the frame. Yeah. Pull her back. There we go. Lock and load and give her.
Alright. Any target. I'm
Whichever
happy
one
if
you
I get
want.
Something. I'm not holding it tight enough.
Okay. Lock and load. Click it right in. There we go. Oh, it's snapped in already.
I'm trying to find the target thing. There it is.
Again. Alright. Mini 14. Let her rip.
Bottom left.
With this, sure.
For what bullet hole?
2, 2, 3.
Oh, 2 to 3.
Yep.
How much?
Wait.
Yeah. How much?
Right. 29.
Oh, I
That's
think I hit it. Huh?
Good shot. Good going.
Did I hit it, you think?
I think so.
Dead on?
From the back.
We'll check.
Oh, I'm looking right now. Well, that time I closed my eyes.
Alright, try that again. There we go.
I wonder if I'm hitting anything. I'm gonna try for that bottom corner.
Put the center post right in the middle of the hole of
Okay,
your sights.
right in the middle.
And
It's
target sits on top of your sight.
target sits on top of the sight. Got it. That one should have hit dead on.
Alright, we'll check. And that's it. Empty.
That